you can give the special characters as a file name here, not an okay. So here ID and I'm clicking and class and dot html or dot htm. Okay, write code enter. So I'm giving here html div id and class example. This is a very big page title. It is not printing over that. This is you can hover here like this, it will be seen like this. Okay, so here I'm going to apply the first I'm going to apply the using HTML only. For that I will add the coloring of that already existing HTML code. Okay, so div here, if I'm taking div is nothing but a container. So ID I'm taking here the particular ID. The ID will be the primary thing. So we cannot use any ID name. Once you can use this ID name, that will be the unique one. You can't use again and again. So here the header I'm using ID name, and so here I'm taking header section, header, header section. Okay, so div ID, div ID. Here also I'm taking content, ID name content I'm taking. So here I'm taking the class name also. Div class name I'm taking. Here box. Okay, I'm taking red. Here I'm statically I'm taking the name of one, and after that div as of green. So here box two, and after that box as green, box blue, box three. Okay, so in the footer session I'm using here ID name only. So directly I'm taking a div, another div I'm taking here. So it will use as the bootstrap classes as well. Footer here, the footer section. Okay, so I'm going to executing this one. So just normally it will printed what I've given in the HTML statically, that will be printed like this, right? So I need to give the color of this one. Okay, so using class one, class IDs and class IDs and ID using diff. So I need to give the coloring for this. So we will see how it will be, and using the using the style tag I'm giving outside of the body I'm using it. Okay, in the header section. So style tag here already we have the body, so this will be called as element CSS as well. So here element CSS I'm using font. Here the default font style I'm taking here the Arial. So after that text align I need as a center. So here I'm using the center. So go and refresh your browser. It is changed, right? So I need the color of this background. So for that you can use the background color here. Background color you can use directly, and I'm taking named color here. Uh, named color. Okay. Now So, and we will see we need the so background color is applied and we need the space around this all over this. It is sticking for top, right? So not like that. I need to use the some space. For that, I'm using here the padding as well. So the padding directly I'm using, I'm taking space as well 20 pixels. So I'm not using any left, right, and top bottom. So it will be accepted the four sides of the corners. So we will so it will apply the four side of the corners, right? So after that, I'm using this header ID here. So header ID, you need to indicate it as hash. Why? Because this is the ID one. So the syntax will be the using ID. And after that, I'm using the ID as a background color. I need to use first background color. I'm taking sky blue. Okay, we'll see like this. So I'm going to inspect it here. I will change the colors and all the things here itself. So ID and here go to in inspector tool and you can change here what you need. So I need to change the color, text color. For text color, you can use the color as well here. That will be the white and okay. After that, we need some space. For that padding, you can use padding. I'm taking default size that will be 15 pixels. Okay. And after that, you can use the font size. The font size also, I need to increase font size will be the 24 pixels. Okay, so like that you can use, and after you can copy the CSS and paste in your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so like this. After that, what we have, and we have the content here. So copy this content and paste here. So we need content also, right? So background I'm using now. Um, yeah, background color. The background color will be navy I will use. Okay, so you can will change as a navy and you can use this one and you can apply the CSS. So we need padding. It is not good for the like, padding. I'm using 20 pixels here. Okay, and color also I'm using light color that will be the white. The named color I'm taking directly. So white, and after that you can take margin. Okay, margin will be with the sides as a equal and 20 pixels. Auto I will take. For auto means the screen resolution it will be set. Okay, borders I will take. Border radius, the round pair of corners it will adjust. Radius, radius that will be the 10 pixels. The corners will be some curve like that, right? So I'm going to copy this one and see I'm pasting in our Visual Studio Code. So for tracking purpose, as a UI developer, you need to use inspector tool. Okay. After what we have, and what we have the box. So only the box I'm applying here. Already color I applied here. So that box I will take. So box. So this is the element CSS. So that directly I'm using box here. Okay. Oh no, this is class, right? So I need to use dot as well. Okay. The dot for class CSS we need to use dot. So I'm setting here the width as well. That will be 100 pixels. So I will apply here only. Need three boxes. Put three boxes in the three sides. here, box here. Okay, so I will apply here. I'm going to setting that height as well, 100 pixel. Okay. Next margin we need margin 10 pixel. Okay. So okay. Next display inline means it will be divided about the box display inline. Okay, like that. Okay. Inline block I will use. Inline block and text align as a center. I will take text align as center. Next line height I will take. Line height 100 pixels. Okay. Next color white. Already I have applied. Okay. Will I white? No, it is not taking. Font I will take as a bold. Okay. Font with bold. So something else. Copy this one and paste in your browser here. After that, what we have the color, right? So directly you can take dot red background red. Okay. So next what we have green. We need to apply the green. So directly the class CSS here dot background color green. Okay. Next what we have blue. So blue dot blue here background color will be the blue. Okay, we will see. So the three boxes has to be divided like this. So for footer session also we need. So the footer session will be in the down. So header session will be in the top way. So here I will apply the footer also. This is the footer ID you can take. Okay. So the footer ID background color I need to apply first. I will take this as a gray. Okay. After that, color I will take the gray. The next color will be the white. Okay. Next, it is way down. So for that, adding default size I'm taking 10 pixels. It will apply the corners and the position I'm going to take absolute. Okay. Next, as or else absolute. The bottom I'm taking, so it wants to be in the bottom way. So it is 0 I'm taking, and width also I'm taking 100. So width is not that much, right? 100. 100 I'm taking in the percentage. Okay, the footer is the